Okay, so I saw this Mayura organic Tikka Masala sauce at Costco. Thought I'd try it out. So I defrosted some chicken and cubed it. Put it in a pan that was at medium-high with a little oil and browned it on all sides. I then took a jar and dumped the whole thing in there. In retrospect, I could have used a lot less sauce, but I then dropped the heat to simmer, slapped a lid on it, and waited about 8 minutes. In the meantime, I had some basmati rice cooking. Fluffed it up.
A few moments later.
Chicken looked ready. Got the rice, added the chicken, and thought I'd try it out. And it was actually pretty good. I was surprised. I mean, this is about as basic as you can make it. Just chicken, sauce, and rice. So next time I'll add some veggies. I would not mind if the spiciness was amped up a bit. But it's very creamy, very tomatoey. I like Indian food to begin with, so I'll definitely be trying this again. So that's it.